Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging optimization with Xcel Energy rebates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install EV charging optimization with Xcel Energy rebates, start by researching Xcel Energy's current rebate program. Visit the Xcel Energy website to gather information about available rebates for electric vehicle charging stations. Determine if you qualify for the rebate based on your home's location and energy usage. Choose the type of EV charger that suits your needs, considering both Level 2 options and smart charging capabilities. Once you've selected a charger, find a qualified electrician or installation service familiar with EV charging systems. Schedule a consultation with the electrician to assess your installation site and discuss any specific requirements. Obtain any necessary permits or approvals from your local municipality for the installation of the charging station. Purchase your EV charger from a reputable supplier, ensuring that it meets Xcel Energy's qualifications for rebates. After purchase, coordinate with your electrician to schedule the installation date. During the installation, ensure that your electrician connects the charger to your home's electrical panel safely. Once the installation is complete, double-check that the charger functions properly and adheres to local regulations. Document your installation process and keep all receipts and information related to the purchased equipment. After installation, fill out the rebate application form provided by Xcel Energy. Submit your application along with any required documentation, including receipts and proof of installation. Keep track of your application status through the Xcel Energy website or customer service. Once your rebate is approved, you will receive the rebate amount as a credit on your utility bill or as a direct payment. Finally, enjoy the benefits of efficient EV charging while taking advantage of the cost savings from the rebate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.